You're an idiot. Yeah, you're an idiot. And you over there, you're an idiot too. And you, that lady, the lady with the ginger hair, you're gorgeous, but you're an idiot too. That's right, you're all idiots. So, what does a guy on a DIY channel think he knows about driving and a #1 safety tip for driving? Well, after I've lost virtually half my viewers for calling them idiots, hopefully you'll stick around and listen. I've been driving 38 years and touch wood, I've never ever had an accident in a car. Yes, I've had accidents on other vehicles, but never in a car. So I'd like to share with you my #1 tip for why I have so few accidents. None in a car and only a couple elsewhere. So what is my #1 tip? Well, it's that you're all idiots. That's it. It's the long and short of it. Whenever you go out, everybody else on the road, be they walking, driving a car, riding a motorbike, anything, they're all idiots. And you've got to expect them to do things that are stupid. Be prepared. If you drive as if you assume everybody else is an idiot, then you're going to be ready for them to do stupid things. It isn't much simpler than that. Don't go fast around little streets, small streets. Too many opportunities for people to do stupid things. So drive carefully, drive safely around small streets. Be ready for somebody to do something stupid, because it'll happen. It will happen, trust me. I drive a bus all day, and you'd be amazed at the amount of stupid things that I see people do. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, that is my tip. That is my #1 tip. Drive as if everybody around you is stupid. You're stupid in a car as well, because at no point during your driving career can you be guaranteed not to do something stupid. A slight lapse of concentration, and that's it, you've done something stupid. It takes seconds, not even that, fraction of a second, to do something stupid. So what spurred me to do this video was something quite tragic, actually. Down the road from me there's a junction. It's actually on one of our bus routes, and unfortunately a young lad was killed on his motorcycle. He was approaching the junction along the main road. There was a couple of cars turning left into the junction, and a bus as well, and a woman pulled out of the junction, and the young lad had decided to overtake the bus and the cars right at the point of the junction. Didn't see her, she didn't see him, and of course the collision happened, and unfortunately he lost his life. And it's tragic, absolutely tragic. Can you imagine how his parents feel? He was 18 years old, apparently. And that's what spurred me to do this little video. If one person watches this video and takes note of what I've said and treats everybody else on the road as an absolute idiot, then hopefully I'll have saved one person's life. And you can't have a better reward than that. You just can't. So that's my tip. Treat everybody else on the road as if they're an idiot, and hopefully that will save your life. I know it's saved mine thousands of times, be that on the bike, on the motorbike, in the car, on the bus. It's saved me from accidents so many times. So, as I said, you're all idiots. It's as simple as that. Everybody on the road is an idiot. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe down below. Thanks. Bye for now.